Hi, welcome. Today is April 11. Of course, we are in coronavirus situation. So we can go outside, the people, they can go to the salon, everything is closed. My salon is closed. This is a really hard situation. I hope everybody is safe at home. Take precaution with everything, use your mask, take care of yourself, okay? And stay home with your family. That's why I don't have models for my video. So I had to take somebody from the house, and who was the one what I took was my husband. This is what I want to do. I know you are at home, and the gray start to show. And it's hard to see yourself in the mirror with those gray, and the salons are closed. So I think this is a 911 for women, and that's why I'm here to help you. So we're gonna do something. We're gonna teach you some stuff what you can do at home to cover those bad and ugly grays. First tip, okay? It's products. It's like a makeup for the hair, where you can use on those grays and they can get covered. This is not permanent, of course, because it's a makeup. It's like when you do makeup on your face and then in the night you wash your face, the makeup go away. This is the same. You're gonna put this, you're gonna keep it for 1-2 days until you wash your hair. When you wash your hair, this is gonna go, away. So this is the one what I'm gonna show you, but this coming in a lot of different brands and a lot of different ways. This is our hair sprays, but you can find the same in those like a mascara what you use for your eyelashes, coming in that way, and you can put it on the gray or the crayons. But this is what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna show you how I do it and how I apply in Gustavo's hair. They're coming in all different colors, okay? They're coming in blonde, they're coming in light brown, medium brown, black, and red, for those people who has red hair. I'm gonna show you how I apply and how I can make those gray disappear, at least for a little bit. The color what I'm gonna use on his hair is gonna be the dark brown, because I think it's the one that's gonna match the best. He's not blonde, he's not light brown, so I'm gonna use the dark brown, and he's not black for sure. So we shake it. Hairspray, they always need to be shaken. I'm gonna put my hand on front of his face, but you can use a magazine or anything where you want. And you go with the spray like this. So it blends with the top. Look, I leave not to 100% gray cover because I want to look like the back. Now if you want 100% cover, you just go over a little bit more. And you can have your hair without gray. Easy. And it's gonna stay until you wash your hair again. Look at this, okay? Look at this. Check it out. What is amazing. I'm gonna show you now the other side. How was his hair before? And I think the other side was even greater than this side. Look at that. Okay, I hope you like it. Now he asked me to put it even, but you know what? He's not a customer, he's not gonna pay for, so I'm sorry, I'm gonna leave you like this. You're gonna need to stay like this until you wash your hair. Now, I had a lot of more tips, something very nice, what you're gonna love what to do with your hair in this situation. If you wanna know about that, check it out my next video. I hope you like it. Everybody who want to ask me questions or they wanna have, or they have ideas, what they want to see, just right below, put your comments en English o en español. Yo siempre estoy ahí para escucharlos, ¿ok? Los quiero, and I love everybody. Stay home and stay safe.